Hello friends, Running Kimono here, back at Walgreens in store this morning, and we have 79-cent complete home trash bags. I'm going to show you that deal where it's a double stack, so a little bit of excitement. We have very cheap Pop-Tarts and just a cheap basket. And I'm going to show you how I did every single deal. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. It really helps me out and the channel if you can take a quick second and like this video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. At the very end of this video, I'm going to show you my Dollar General penny haul. I went to 4 Dollar Generals in the deep country yesterday looking for some clearance merchandise and stumbled into 100 penny items. I'm doing this like a week and a couple days after that surprise penny list. These are all surprise pennies. I will show some of the UPCs at the end and how I specifically found them in the store and just talk a little bit about Dollar General pennies. But the clearance event is scheduled for March 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. And even if you're a diehard Walgreens shopper, this is something you might want to entertain as, dollars and cents are really hard to stretch right now. Okay, so Valentine's Day merchandise, a lot of candy, the little cards for the kids and the little accessories. Everything is 50% off right now. Unfortunately, those cute Squishimals that a lot of us haul after the different holidays, specifically those ones, they're hanging on to them in the stock until Easter. I've heard this from 2 managers, so they've gone back to full price, which are those adorable little stuffed toys. I don't like that, but it's life. Okay, the first deal we're going to talk about is the Pop-Tarts that are 2 for $4. So in my basket, I grabbed 2 of them for $4 on the nose. This morning, we got a very generous $1 off 2 digital coupon. So you're going to load this guy. And they're always great to have on hand, for a quick snack. I personally don't eat it, but my husband loves these. So grabbing 2 of them, it's 4 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per box. So that's a very good price point. And I even broke down the price per bite. That's a joke. Now, a much anticipated deal this week is on the Arm & Hammer detergent. Yes, the bottles seem a bit smaller, but I believe 21 or 28 loads was the norm for this for the longest time. They've just made the plastic a lot less. So from $7.49 down to $1.99, $5.50 of savings. I saw the liquid detergents, also the scent beads. A lot of you were asking about that. But the pods were not tagged at my store. You might want to do a price check on that. So I didn't photograph that for you guys. But I know a lot of you love Arm & Hammer, so stock up this week. Now, the next deal is on the $3 Oral-B brushes. You're going to look for them in store tagged with this goofy thing of buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. You have to load this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2, so you can get toothbrushes or the toothpaste that's $3. So grabbing 2 of those Oral-B brushes, that's 6 on the nose, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 3, get back a $3 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn your register reward. And just to let you know, the charcoal ones that I'm showing for this video, I'm using it as a prop because my store had no $3 brushes or paste. So that is just a prop. You're definitely going to have to get the one that's correct for the deal. L'Oreal Elvive shampoo, a very popular one amongst extreme couponers, is 2 for $9 this week from $5.49. You're going to grab a shampoo and conditioner or 2 shampoos or 2 conditioners, however you want it. And then this morning we got a very generous coupon, which is a 4 off a 2. So load this guy. It's so much better than a 3 off 2 digital. And then we also have a Walgreens coupon, which is the IVC, which is a 2 off a 2. So make sure you have this guy loaded as well. Grabbing 2 of them for $9. You're going to subtract the IVC and the 4 off 2 digital. You're paying $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Dawn dish soap again is on promotion for $1.24. Buy 2, get back a $1 register reward. So for this one, you're going to grab 2 of these cute little Dawn dish soaps, and they are currently trying to shrinkflate this packaging to 5.8 ounces, so stock up. Two of them is $2.48. You're going to get back $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the two, or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're buying this with no booster. And say you wanted to get 4, you'd have to break it up into 2 transactions, because the register rewards will print only 1 like per transaction. So if you grabbed 4, for example, only 1 register reward would print. So you would have to break that up into 2 transactions. Another shampoo deal is with the Head & Shoulders for $6 this week. It's on this goofy promotion to buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. So we also have a digital coupon that popped up for this guy this morning, which is a 3 off of 2. So you're going to have to load this for this deal, and this is a big favorite in our household, so I'm definitely grabbing some of this. So 2 of these is 12 on the nose. Subtracting the digital coupon, you're going to pay $9, get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2, or $2.50 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Here's a deal for some Colgate mouth rinse that's very cheap. It is $4 this week, and it's on a promotion to buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. Now, this morning we got 2 digital coupons, a 3 off of 2 for the brushes and the mouth rinses, and a 3 off of 2 for the paste. So you pick, you'd have to break it up into 2 transactions, but I just wanted to show this one because we don't get a lot of mouthwash deals. Grabbing 2 of these, it's 8 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for 2, or $1 per mouth rinse. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Let's talk about everybody's favorite stacking boosters. We have a 7 back in Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on Walgreens nice brand products. So this booster on the top started this morning, and I had one print out from the machine last week for some photo order I had. So I'm actually getting $12 back when I'm spending $20, which is like super nice. Now I'm just going to show you what I got because I absolutely hate buying garbage bags. It's one of those things I think it should be free. This is on a promotion of buy 1, get 2 for free for these smaller trash bags. If you have pets, it's really good, especially for cleaning up a litter box. And then these big mamas, which is the $7.99 tall bags for your kitchen. So just to show you what my basket looked like, 2 $7.99 tall bags, and then the buy 1, get 2 for free on the smaller ones. Now, if you do not like what I picked up, you can always look in the app for Walgreens branded items. And then if it says 7 back when you spend $20, you know it's part of the promotion, the products that you're looking at. So looking at this overall basket, 3 of those trash bags for $4.99 on a buy 1, get 2 for free. 2 of the tall ones for $15.98 for a grand total of $20.97. I had my digital booster loaded. I got the cashier to scan my paper booster, and I had 1 manufacturer register reward from last week. I think it was for Tide or something like that. So with my debit card, I paid $15.97. I got back $12 in Walgreens cash, 7 for the spend 20, get back 7, and then the other one, spend 15, get back 5. That's how I got my 2 boosters. So it made it basically like $3.97 for the 5 items. So I think that's a great deal. Let's not forget, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess things up. As stated, if you don't like what I picked out, the alternative could be to get some of these food storage bags. It's on the same promotion of buy 1, get 2 for free. And also we have the toilet paper, paper towels by Walgreens, and these dishwasher packs. I scanned a couple items. You can also check in the app. If you see that little writing of spend 20, get back 7, like it's qualifying, you know you're in business. Also, load the following digital coupons, a 12 off for this Olay skincare. And we also have this one, which is an 8 off of a premium Olay. Definitely excellent coupons to have for curbside pickups in the future. So before I take off into the big sunset, we're going to talk about Dollar General pennies. As stated, there's a clearance event March 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. And I was trying to get pictures yesterday for that clearance event, getting some fresh, clearance items. And I just kept running into so many penny items. So there's still a ton found in the wild. So I'm just going to explain like how I found them in the store. And even if you're not very good at this, open up your Dollar General app and scan. And if you're seeing 0.00, it's going to ring up for a penny at either self-checkout or at a regular cash register. And at one store, I found all of this, and I was there a couple Fridays ago, and I got like 7 items, but there was all of this in the back of the store. And I found it on a bottom shelf, and like, look at that good amount of dust. Everybody, I'm sure there were other penny shoppers there, but everybody passed by this, including myself. I didn't really notice it. And then I was like, wow. And I found that on an end cap. And then in the regular stationery aisle, these pens are ringing up for a cent. It has to be the very specific Papermate, these colors. I'll show you the UPC in a second, but like, look at this. Grab them all, because if not, the employees will go and get them and throw them in the back. And then the pickles in the dollar spot that are 90 cents, they're also ringing up for a cent. And they don't expire till 2026. So a very good item to have in your home pantry or to donate or share with family and friends. Who doesn't like pickles? Even pickle juice with chicken. Oh my gosh, you can do some amazing stuff with that. So I'm just going to show you some UPCs now. The first is for these Papermates, and it's the 3 pens with these goofy colors. And here is the UPC. And I would not discount or think that somebody might have cleared out your store, because I'm still finding so much stuff that I'm just like, I don't even understand this. Like yesterday I was there for something completely different and I kept finding stuff. Look for this in the dollar spot food section. And this was a tremendous find. I found 9 of these dill pickles. And then the M&Ms I found at the front of the store. It's called Toasty Vanilla. So Little Miss M&M bundled up for the snow. And I found an entire box. The boxes carry 24. And I think there were 3 on the counter I found. And then an entire box of 24. And then the Rice Krispies treats, I found them with the Rice Krispies, like where they have the different, like it was on a side cap. And a penny, you guessed it. So I was delighted with that. My husband really likes Rice Krispies as well. Tuesday, I found a ton of cosmetics, and then I didn't find as much, but I did find this face mask. It's called Brightening Sheet Mask. And here's the UPC. The devil is in the details with this penny shopping. I made a couple videos a couple weeks back. Check them out. I'll link one of them at the end. Here's my receipt at one of the stores. It's still ringing up for a penny. Until they reset all of these items to full price in their system, it's still going to ring up a cent. But the clearance event, which is something completely different, March 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Expect a video that last week of February, probably like next week. So I am really looking forward to that, and I really hope that these penny items stay a penny until then, because I think the big totes that they pull out, that'll be our Price is Right moment for a lot of us. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.